Hi everyone, my name is Brian Boyd. I'm here with Craneworks. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Versalift VST-40-MHI bucket truck. Bucket trucks are used in a wide array of industries, such as telecommunications, construction, forestry, and sign installation. This bucket truck is a 360-degree continuous rotation unit, meaning you can go either direction. The unit has an articulating arm with a capacity of 1,000 pounds, an insulated fiberglass one-man basket with a capacity of 400 pounds. The unit also has a 12-volt DC backup emergency pump. If in the event something were to go wrong, your operator can come down safely. The body is an 11-foot body. It has different storage compartments for all your tools and accessories. As well as the rear of the unit, we have a pintle hitch for pulling your trailer, and it's also equipped with D-rings, so you can pull any type of trailer you need. We offer all our bucket trucks in many different chassis configurations. These units we can install on international CVs, Ram 5500s, or Ford F550s. We have these units here for rent or for sale, so come on down here to Craneworks where we can help you with your crane and bucket truck needs.